Williams, and this is Ruth Bakery, and she's going to show us how to make a weed detox pesto. So show us how it's done, Ruth.
Right, it's fairly easy. So we're going to start with chopping up our weeds.
Yeah.
So if you could do me some garlic,
that
would be great. So we use about a cup of, so here we have cleavers. You don't have to chop it up too much, but just to help the blender or stick blender with its job. So I'm going to use about a cup of equal, so I've got my dandelion, chickweed and cleavers, so that it roughly makes about a cup of greens.
Just slicing the garlic like this, does it work?
That's great.
Like that.
So you can use dandelion if you wish, nettle if you wish, but you just need to blanch it first because it's neutralizes its stinging particles. So just blanch it and then chuck it into some ice water is a good way to do it. So I've already done that one. So I'm just going to pop some Brazil nuts, which they are high in. Selenium. Yes,
selenium they are.
Yeah.
Very much so.
So the pumpkin seeds.
Zinc.
Yeah, that's a good one. So it looks like I've got a lot, but that's all gonna go down. And so now we have some salt, which has got a little bit of garlic in it. So it's garlic flavored salt. So about 1 teaspoon here. And I'm going to add some oil, which is half a cup. And instead, I'm going to put some lovely lemon juice, which is just going to make it sink down. And so that's about 5 tablespoons.
Getting a bit of protein in there with the seeds and nuts too.
Yeah, so now I'm just going to whiz it down. It'll make a bit of noise. So excuse the noise.
You could probably put it in a blender too, could you?
Yeah, it's much quicker in a blender, but for amount of dishes,
yes,
for a quick little demonstration. So it's almost done, just got to do the top part. So almost done.
That looks great.
Lovely colour and smells amazing.
It is a beautiful colour. Colour of nature, isn't it?
So if I could get you just to move that down, and we're just going to take this out.
Swap.
So I've already done some here.
That looks amazing.
So this one here is cleavers and dandelion. So this one is with all 3. So it's much the same colour. And instead of using bread, crackers and chips and different things with your dip, you could use some cucumbers and zucchinis, and it's just sort of a nice way of being able to eat it without, if you're gluten free or whatever, just to have a nice healthy snack. So
great idea. It's looking really good.
Yeah.
Thank you for all your hard work in showing us that. That looks so amazing, and it's so professionally decorated as well. So it's just amazing how God gives us these plants, that we can use them in so many different ways, and here we've made a beautiful pesto. So thank you, Ruth.
You're welcome.